Ooh, we've got an absolute stunner today. So it's an 1850s property. The customer has had 2 previous surveys in relation to the damp. These have been non-intrusive because they're pre-purchase. Nobody thought there was a physical DPC present, but you've always got to check. 1850s is early, but boom, guess what? We found a physical Slate damp-proof course. You come around the side, add a good scratch around down here, and guess what? We found a Slate damp-proof course. Look at it, beautiful. So that's brilliant news for the customer. They've got a Slate damp-proof course. As we always say, drains, drains, drains. Jump the trap. And what can we see? Looky, looky, looky. Oh, and what have we got? Completely blocked. Absolutely completely blocked. And for whatever reason, they've put one of these land drains in there. So it's leaking like a sieve. That's why the ground around here is saturated. And we've also got blockages at the front of the property. Shh. Hear the drone? Yeah. Where possible, I always like to get the drone up. Whilst these defects aren't strictly related to the dampness problems inside, it's prudent to note them and get them fixed ASAP because problems will occur. Now we know what's going on outside, we look at the plans, look at how the building's put together, what's new, what's old. Let's start the damp investigation. So damp meters will never give you a quantitative moisture content, but used accordingly, you can map out areas of most concern. That's what I'm doing here. So subject to this, I will then drill a vertical profile following BRE Digest 245 to get actual quantitative moisture contents. And looky, looky, what have we got here? A leak in main and heavy condensation. Bit of thermography here, thermal imaging. And we got an isotherm here showing it at dew point. What have we got in here then? So this is adjacent the area. You've got lots of visible damp problems. You've got limelight renovating plaster. Indicative is someone's had a go before. You can see the walls soaking wet. It is literally sopping wet. So what can you see in this picture? Basically, it's a series of holes drilled to 1500mm. Beneath there is a number of pots. Every sample has been removed and put into the pots. This is going to give me off-site analysis in my laboratory to determine what is going on with. It's going to give me a quantitative moisture content, subject also to hygroscopic salt analysis. I will be able to confirm exactly what's going on and give the best advice moving forward to the customer in regards to damp around the property. So if you're booking a damp survey, you need a couple of things. You need to make sure they follow the elimination process in BS 6576 and also follow the methodology in BRE Digest 245. Only then can you be 100% sure you're getting the right analysis first time, every time. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon in the next one.